Hi there, welcome to Health Hacks channel. Today let's talk about a vital organ many of us take for granted, the liver. It's the workhorse of our body, quietly performing over 500 functions. It filters toxins, produces bile for digestion, and regulates metabolism. But there's a silent threat lurking in our kitchens that can harm this essential organ: seed oils. These ubiquitous oils, often touted as healthy, can have detrimental effects on our liver health. Seed oils, also known as vegetable oils, are extracted from crops like soybeans, corn, and sunflowers. They're highly processed and often chemically refined. This process creates unstable molecules that can trigger inflammation throughout the body, especially in the liver. Over time, this chronic inflammation can lead to serious liver problems like fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and even liver cancer. The scary part? Liver damage often progresses silently, with few noticeable symptoms in the early stages. You may feel fatigued or experience vague digestive issues, but these can easily be mistaken for other conditions. This is why it's crucial to be proactive about liver health and understand the risks associated with seed oils. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can protect your liver and ensure its optimal function for years to come. Let's dive deeper into the hidden dangers of seed oils and discover practical steps to safeguard your liver health. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to your well-being. Seed oils are pervasive in the modern diet. They're found in salad dressings, mayonnaise, fried foods, and countless processed products. While they may seem harmless, their chemical structure and processing methods make them a serious concern for liver health. These oils are high in polyunsaturated fatty acids, particularly omega-6 fatty acids. While our bodies need a balance of omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, the typical Western diet contains a skewed ratio, with an overabundance of omega-6s from seed oils. This imbalance contributes to inflammation and oxidative stress, putting extra strain on the liver. Moreover, the refining process of seed oils involves high heat, solvents, and bleaching agents. These processes create harmful byproducts like trans fats, which are known to damage the liver and increase the risk of heart disease. Even refined seed oils, often marketed as healthier options, undergo extensive processing that compromises their nutritional value. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins and processing fats. When bombarded with excessive amounts of damaged fats from seed oils, its function becomes impaired. This can lead to a buildup of fat in the liver, a condition known as fatty liver disease. Over time, this can progress to more serious liver problems, compromising your overall health. Let's debunk some common myths surrounding liver health. You might have heard that only heavy drinkers are at risk for liver disease. This is simply not true. While excessive alcohol consumption is undoubtedly damaging to the liver, other factors like poor diet, obesity, and exposure to toxins can also significantly impact liver health. Another myth is that liver damage always shows obvious symptoms. In reality, the liver is incredibly resilient and can compensate for damage for a long time before symptoms appear. This silent progression is what makes liver disease so dangerous. By the time symptoms like jaundice, abdominal pain, or swelling occur, the damage may be quite advanced. Some people believe that detox teas and supplements are the key to a healthy liver. While certain herbs may have mild liver-supporting properties, there's no magic bullet for liver health. The most effective way to protect your liver is through a holistic approach that includes a healthy diet, regular exercise, and limiting exposure to toxins. Not all fats are created equal. In fact, your liver needs healthy fats to function optimally. The key is to choose the right types of fats and avoid those that can cause harm. Saturated fats found in foods like grass-fed butter, coconut oil, and avocados have long been demonized. However, emerging research suggests that these fats, when consumed in moderation, are not the villains they were once made out to be. Studies have shown that saturated fats do not increase the risk of heart disease and may actually have some protective benefits for the liver. These fats are stable at high temperatures and don't oxidize easily, making them a safe and healthy choice for cooking. On the other hand, polyunsaturated fats found in seed oils are highly unstable and prone to oxidation, especially when exposed to heat, light, and air. Monounsaturated fats, abundant in olive oil, are also beneficial for liver health. These fats have anti-inflammatory properties and can help improve insulin sensitivity, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. When it comes to fats, quality matters. Choose organic, cold-pressed oils whenever possible, and limit your intake of processed foods that often contain hidden seed oils. By incorporating a variety of healthy fats into your diet, you can nourish your liver and support its vital functions. Liver damage often progresses silently, with few noticeable symptoms in the early stages. However, being aware of subtle signs can help you catch problems early on and seek timely intervention. One of the first signs of liver distress can be digestive issues. You might experience bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. This is because the liver plays a crucial role in producing bile, which is essential for fat digestion. Another common symptom is fatigue. The liver is responsible for converting food into energy. When its function is impaired, you may feel constantly tired and sluggish, even after a good night's sleep. Skin problems can also signal liver issues. The liver filters toxins from the blood, and when it's overloaded, toxins can build up and manifest as skin rashes, acne, or itchy skin. Unexplained weight gain, particularly around the abdomen, can be a red flag. This is often associated with fatty liver disease, a condition where excess fat accumulates in the liver. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's essential to consult your doctor and get your liver function tested. Early detection is key to preventing further damage and promoting liver health. The good news is that the liver is a resilient organ with an incredible capacity for regeneration. By making positive changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can support your liver's natural healing process and reverse damage. The first step is to eliminate or drastically reduce your intake of seed oils. Read food labels carefully and avoid products that list these oils as ingredients. Focus on incorporating liver-friendly foods into your diet. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain sulfur compounds that support the liver's detoxification processes. Choose grass-fed animal products. Opt for grass-fed beef, lamb, goat, and buffalo, which are lower in inflammatory omega-6 fats compared to grain-fed animals. Look for eggs rich in omega-3. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out toxins and supporting optimal liver function. Aim for 8 glasses of water per day. Making healthier choices for your liver doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making simple swaps in your kitchen. Instead of cooking with vegetable oil, opt for coconut oil, olive oil, or grass-fed butter. Swap out sugary drinks like soda and juice for water, herbal tea, or unsweetened iced tea. When grocery shopping, read food labels carefully and avoid processed foods that often contain hidden seed oils. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. When eating out, be mindful of your choices. Ask for your food to be cooked in olive oil or butter, and opt for grilled or baked dishes instead of fried options. By making these simple swaps, you can significantly reduce your intake of harmful seed oils and nourish your liver with the nutrients it needs to thrive. One of the most remarkable things about the liver is its incredible capacity for regeneration. Even after significant damage, the liver can repair itself and regain its function with the right support. This natural healing power is a testament to the body's innate ability to heal itself when given the right conditions. By adopting a liver-healthy lifestyle, you're not only protecting your liver from further damage, but also creating an environment where it can heal and thrive. Every positive change you make, no matter how small, contributes to your liver's well-being. Remember, it's never too late to start taking care of your liver. Whether you've been exposed to toxins, have a history of poor dietary choices, or simply want to prioritize your liver health, there are steps you can take today to support this vital organ. Your liver works tirelessly behind the scenes, performing hundreds of essential functions to keep you healthy. It's time to show this vital organ some love by making conscious choices that support its well-being. By eliminating harmful seed oils and making these dietary adjustments outlined in this video, you can significantly improve your liver health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips from Health Hacks. Stay healthy, everyone.